Hello, my name is Francis Whelan. I'm a Senior Project Manager for Balco UK. We're here today at the Worrall Street project where we're installing 59 Levitate balconies for the principal contractor, Bridgestone Construction. As you can see, this is still very much a live project as we're still installing these balconies, but overall the project is running extremely smoothly and efficiently with our fantastic team of experienced installers being able to work quickly, efficiently whilst adhering to all safety measures. Although we are installing our standard Levitate balconies here, this project does differ slightly to most of our historic ones. Both blocks are steel framed buildings, resulting in a bespoke fixing detail for our stub connectors, where they had to be installed to steel plates which were welded to the frames of the buildings. This was incorporated into our thorough structural calculations, so we were still able to carry out a wide range of QA checks to ensure a quality finish. The balconies themselves were fully assembled off-site at our UK assembly unit in Whelan, Devon. This is allowing us to minimise time on site, to save sufficient areas of space for the principal contractor, whilst making our installation work extremely quick. The balustrades used on these balconies are our aluminium Hanastrad balustrades, which have all been powder coated as per the architect's requirements. The flooring is finished with our anti-slip aluminium decking, making the balconies look both modern and innovative.